So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to measure your ECG on WITHINGS BPM Core. In order to measure your ECG, you should put the WITHINGS BPM Core on your arm first. So in order to do it, it needs to be on naked skin. It is important. So I'll do it. Let's open it up. Now remember that this button has to be facing up, so that you don't put it on the wrong way. I'll put it on very quickly and I'll show you how it should go. So as you can see right here, this flappy part, it can just go behind your back, so don't worry about it. This sensor says stethoscope. It should be held against your rib cage, so it should be facing your rib cage, and the tube needs to be on your other arm. So now I have it on correctly, and make sure that two fingers can go in between your arm and the band, right? I'm gonna make sure that it's tightly here attached to the Velcro, and now you should hold it in a certain way that as you can see right here, this sensor is touching your rib cage. Of course you can have a t-shirt on technically, so yeah, it's gonna be fine if you have a t-shirt on. Now also another important factor is to if you have your sensor on the left arm, then your left palm should be touching your right thigh, and vice versa. If you have it on the right arm, your right palm should be touching your left thigh. This is the natural position, and in that position your stethoscope, the circular sensor, should be at about the heart level, so that is quite important. Also, it is important that you don't speak during the measurement. You don't move, and you sit still and relax. I'm actually gonna fix it up because I think it's a little bit too loose. Okay, it's gonna be better now. So now, once we know everything, we should turn the device on by clicking on the button. Now you can see it turns on, and I can slide between different modes here by sliding on this lit up bar, see, and I'm sliding to ECG. Of course, you can also take an ECG in a standard measurement. There is a video about it, like how to take measurements, so you can just do that. But the video now is about ECG, so we're gonna just do the ECG. Once you click on the button, you're gonna start, and you should start holding against your rib cage, right? Put your palm on the opposite thigh, and then basically wait. It's gonna pump in air, and then once it pumps in air, you should start touching the metal tube, right, like that. So let's begin. I'm just gonna click on the button, and I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Remember, you need to hold like that. It's been done. It shows ECG, and it most likely tells me normal. Okay, now we're gonna select the user to save it to. You can see when I slide, it switches to guest or my username. If you have more users added, then you can also select them. So I'll select just myself and click on the button to approve. Now it's been saved, and if I go to the app, I can slide from the top down to refresh, and it should send all the data. Although I may need to, it may take a moment. Okay, yeah, and we can see my ECG. So as you can see right here, you can see it all. You can see everything here, and that is basically how it works. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.